Hello, welcome to my video on my YouTube channel. This video is going to be on the H4 headlight connector of the 1999 Ducati Monster. As you see on the video right there, you can tell that it has three connectors, high-low beam on the ground. I had a little hard time releasing the connector. I'm going to show. See those little ramps on the side, left and right, top. You have to press those two ramps to release the connector. It's not in the middle. I thought it was in the middle, so I struggled with it for a while, and I eventually figured it out. There was no video available, so I made my own video for how to release those quick connects on the H4 receptacle for the 1999 Ducati Monster. What happened was I installed a HID light bulb system, and I had to reverse the high and low beam and the ground connector for that one to work. Then I had to reverse it back to the factory installation style. So there, I tell you, this is a little tricky. It's not a common release mechanism. You think that you use a pin tool, a paper clip. Trust me, I have tried them all today. I have a special pin tool that removes pins, pin remover. The famous paper clip. There we go. And the famous small jeweler screwdriver. There we go. Got that. Okay. Well, the most unexpected tool was used for this job. A needle nose, very pointy. Harbor Freight's very pointy needle nose pliers. So, after enough investigation, inserting the pins through little tiny holes and everything, and looking at it very extremely close, you have to open the back of it. So what I had to do, I had to reverse. This is the high beam, and this will be the ground. Now, right now, this is the ground. You see the black wire? So if you look inside there, the best way to remove this would be take the needle nose screwdriver, insert it over the top. That's where the release mechanism is at. Just like you see right here. I know this is not the greatest shot, but once you insert it in there, it should release and come out. Anyways, I already released it once. It was a little tricky, and I believe I put it back in there, but oh, I just put it back in. My goodness, my lucky shot. Anyways, let's do this again. So let me pan the camera down just a little bit to give me a better view as I do it over the camera. So you can see that right there, there's one catch that needs to be released. That one right there, and then there's the other one right next, the opposite. So the best way to release it would be to insert this inside there, and literally right now is released, literally. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna push it. Use whatever you're gonna use to push it. Hold up. I'm holding it right there, so I'm gonna take a screwdriver and push the flat portion, and there it went. There it went. It just came out. So I gotta reverse this too. This one's gonna go here, and the yellow one's gonna go on the top where the black one was at, and that will give me, see right there, see the catches right there. Take a picture of that. There are the catches. Two catches. Amazing. One here, one here. This is a 1999 Ducati Monster with an H4 star light bulb. Alright, the headlight is installed finally. All wires are in. Let's give it a test light. I did not include how to assemble this headlight. That's a whole different process. That's the low beam. That's the high beam. You see a little bit of the blue hue, I guess. I don't know. It's not really the like super bright blue. It's okay. I mean, looking at the reflection of the car. Low beam. And high beam difference. But I think, funny thing. Don't mind my friends. That's supposed to be low beam. That's supposed to be high beam. I think I have it backwards. That's funny. Irrelevant. irrelevant. Anyways, it's finished.